Hey guys, welcome back to another of my video. Got my beautiful wife here, and today we are going to Five Below because I bought myself a snack cart and I need to buy a bunch of candy, and you guys are gonna see all the candy that I buy. This is Five Below. Obviously, what's inside is in its name. Everything is five and below. So yeah, let's go buy some candy. Damn. So we came back from Five Below, and this is all the candy I bought. I bought a bunch of candy, different candy, Butterfingers, Sweet Tarts, Krabby Patties, Raisinets, bunch of Crunch, my favorite. It's Skittles, and Airheads, and Nerds, and more little Sour Patches. Huh, okay. These, of course, if you were born in the 90s, you know exactly what these are. So bomb. And then buy some little trays because I didn't have any. So I'm going to put all the trays and put it right there. And then this is my current snack cart. I usually have a bunch of sodas. I got to go buy some sodas. And then these are the ones that I had left. So I'm going to show you guys the end result right now. Oh, there it is, you guys. Everything is nice and organized.